What is going on, Microscalegaragers? I just want to do a quick garage shop talk video real quick. I'm outside working on a 2006 Sebring. The front passenger wheel, I can't get it off. I paid 20 bucks to get the lugs chiseled off. They told me to unloosen the other 3 lugs. I did. I drove it in my driveway. Still can't get the wheel off. So now I'm gonna take a chisel and just bust the lugs through. The customer's gonna have to get a wheel bearing, of course. But the main job I was doing inners and outers tie rods on both sides, and I got to do a upper control arm. But real quick, RC shop talk. Oh, and another thing, I think I changed my YouTube name. My email is still antoinemotley@gmail.com, but my YouTube channel, I believe, is now Microscalegarage. I was playing around in Google, and it popped up on YouTube. But I want to show you guys this battery. Me and Tim Handy were talking about batteries on eBay, and I was like, man, I got to get a battery for the DOS 87. Nope. Uh-oh. This is a 3.7 volt, 775 mAh battery. Now, I got this battery out of a $5, the helicopter from 5 and Below. I was like, I need a battery. I need a small battery. And we don't have a controller to it. The kids don't play with it. So I opened up the cover and I saw this battery. And I was like, man, it's a little wide than this 100 mAh that I have. But it's swollen. Like it fits in the body, in the DOS's body. But it don't fit flat all the way good. This battery looks almost like the battery that Sangu, Ryu Sang was using in the videos. If you look, it's a thin battery. I'm going to have to check the Facebook group too. The DOS 87 Owners Club, but this battery right here fits. Let me put you guys on pause real quick. Alright, look at that. Fits real good. Now the next thing that I got to do is I super glued my DOS 87 together, but I was trying to get the axle from not moving, and what I mistakenly did was when I heated it up with the lighter. That's why my rim is a little burnt. Should have heated it up with my torch. It wouldn't have did that from the carbon. Now I gotta wash all that off. But if I heat it up, it'll loosen up the crazy glue. But what I did was when I re-crazy glued it, I glued this axle to the actual housing of the, so it don't spin. So now I gotta take it all back apart. And then that way I can work on this tiny, I don't even know how I'm gonna solder this. This thing is so tiny. Let me show you guys. Alright, so now what we're taking a look at the speed controller for the DOS 87. I want to run one of these in my Orlando Hunter. Yeah, I'll be able to run FPV with that. I mean, check this out, dude. Like, this is amazing. I love this. It's so small. I feel like I'm gonna build a computer. I love it. So I think I got this right. We got our servo up top, left top. We got our servo signal, VVC. I think that's where you bind. We got our ground. So it looks like there's one common ground. Front LED negative, rear LED negative. That's cool. Lights. And then we have our 2 brush motors set up. So we're just going to run one of these for a brush motor and then one to ground. And then our servo for steering, I believe is going to go there. 2. Servo signal 1 and servo signal 2. Why is there? Oh, servo signal 1 controls the motor. Okay, so what? I am confused now. Alright, so how do we hook this up? We're gonna go positive motor to ground. We'll go servo signal, so we're gonna take the yellow wire. We're gonna go to number 2. Yeah, number 2 is gonna control. No, front and rear LED. What? Dude, I'm gonna have to message Don, figure out how do I solder this up. My head right now is combojled on figuring this out. Alright, so that's the DOS 87. I'm not going to go any further until I confirm what I got to do. And plus, this soldering tip, I am not going to take this soldering tip to that beautiful chip. It deserves better. You know, this soldering iron needs to be like thrown into the lake of fire. That's horrible. Alright, you guys, like, share, subscribe. Peace and love. God bless. Microscalegaragers. So I don't think you guys no more have to like type in my name. I guess we just type in Microscalegarage for my YouTube channel. And then I want to do like some type of new contest. I need a logo. I've been trying to design a logo. I want to do something. So message me, you guys. Like, I don't know. Let's do something cool. You know what I'm saying, for us Microscale Garages, you know, because we're not only just RC cars, but we're hobbying it up. And what my channel is influencing is not just RCs, not just video games, not just me hanging out in the shed working on go-karts and pit bikes, you know, and 3D printing. But that's what it's all about, is, you know, getting out, you know, so that way we're not all sad. We all want to be happy, you know what I'm saying? And we just want to spread love and spread any information that we got and try and share it with the others, you know. I got a couple videos, a couple vlogs. I didn't know if I wanted to post them or not. Felt a little wrong. I mean, I just, you know, like personal issues, like, oh, should I post that? So this, I have a video where I was coming out around Easter, where I was showing that I was hooking up the lights and stuff on the D10, and we're gonna try and do a test run. I got that on the computer, getting ready to upload that to you guys so you guys can watch that, and then we're gonna finish up the rear lights. So this is gonna be like the video that's gonna come out is gonna be like in the past, but you know what I'm saying, you guys get it. And then we're gonna do the Super Shocks finally, and then we can take our baby. Oh, yeah, we're gonna take our baby, the D10, that's the baby right there, and we're gonna drive it. New bumper, new front bumper that I made. We'll be showing that off soon in Microscale Garage Facebook group. We'll be selling that. And there's a sale going on at Microscale Garage Facebook group right now. Bodies are $25, hard bodies, printed. Rims, instead of $4 for 4 or $5 for 5, you get 5 rims for $4. Roof racks are only $3. Scale cones, I think that was like $2 or $1. You know, I'm just trying to make some money or whatever. But alright, you guys, I gotta get out here and try and blast this tire off. Let me know in the comments. I will be checking my Facebook. I'll have the phone out there in the shed. Might do another vlog out there in the shed, let you guys know what's going on with me and that tire, so that way I can start working on the customer's car. And then yeah, we'll get back to work on the go-kart too, you know, so we can get the go-kart going. But alright, you guys, peace out, like, share, subscribe. Sorry about holding you guys up. This is just a vlog. I want to get out there. It's sunny. It's getting warm. We got an RC. We got to do whatever we can. Fly drones, you know what I'm saying? Go golf. Go play soccer with your kids. Do something positive. And, you know, post me some stuff that you guys did. You know, go to the Facebook group and post some pictures of guys of what you guys did. You know, not just, remember, not just RC cars, but anything that's a hobby. Peace out, you guys, and see you later, and you guys have a blessed day.